Hey everyone, welcome back to Kawaii Crafts. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made these cute Among Us crewmates using mini perler beads. I know there are patterns out there already for the Among Us characters, but I wanted to make my own pattern. I was looking for a more chibi looking crewmate. I hope you enjoy them. The materials you will need are mini perler beads, I'll list the colors in the description for you, pegboards, tweezers, a bead reamer and needle nose pliers, an iron, wax paper, necklace chains, I got these from Amazon, and jump rings. Let's get started. First, you'll use your black beads to make an outline of the crewmate. Fill in the bottom of the crewmate with a darker color to make the shadowing. Then fill in the remaining parts of the body with the main color. Take some beads, the color called toothpaste, and fill in the lens, leaving the upper right corner for one white bead. Place a piece of wax paper over your beads and then iron. Make sure to iron both sides and then place between some books so that it doesn't bend while cooling down. Once cool, use your bead reamer to poke a hole back into the central beads. Place a jump ring into that hole, and then add your crewmate to the necklace chain. Now you can make a whole crew. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe as well as follow me on my other social medias. Also, if you're feeling up to it, leave a comment below and let me know whether you'd rather play as a crewmate or as an imposter. I also need your opinion, guys. I didn't know if I liked the crewmates better as plain colors or with some of the shadowing. Let me know in the comment section below. See you soon.